Are you dreaming of an unforgettable adventure in one of the world's most vibrant cities? Tokyo, Japan's bustling capital, is a city that blends the old and the new in the most captivating way. From towering skyscrapers to ancient shrines, quirky neighborhoods to serene parks, Tokyo has something for everyone. With just 1 week in this incredible city, you can explore its rich culture, indulge in mouth-watering cuisine, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Stay with us as we count down the top 10 experiences to have in Tokyo, helping you plan the ultimate itinerary. Get ready to uncover the magic of Tokyo and see why it's a city like no other. Starting at number 10, we have the iconic Shibuya Crossing. At the heart of Shibuya, this world-famous intersection is a must-see. Imagine hundreds of people crossing from all directions in perfect sync, surrounded by neon lights and giant billboards. It's not just a crossing, it's a sensory overload that encapsulates Tokyo's vibrant energy. After you've soaked in the chaos, head to the nearby Hachiko statue, a touching tribute to Tokyo's most loyal dog. This area is also packed with trendy shops, restaurants, and cafes, making it a great spot to explore for a few hours. Have you ever seen such organized chaos in any other city? Coming in at number 9, Tokyo Tower stands as an iconic symbol of Japan's post-war rebirth and modernization. This striking red and white structure, inspired by Paris's Eiffel Tower, soars to a height of 333 meters, making it one of the most recognizable landmarks in Tokyo. Built in 1958, the tower is not only a testament to Japan's resilience, but also a hub for breathtaking views and cultural experiences. The main observation deck, located 150 meters above the ground, provides stunning panoramic views of Tokyo's sprawling skyline. Visitors can spot famous landmarks like Tokyo Skytree, Rainbow Bridge, and even Mount Fuji on clear days. For those seeking a more elevated and luxurious experience, the top deck, at 250 meters, offers an innovative design featuring interactive displays and storytelling elements that reveal the history and transformation of Tokyo. As night falls, Tokyo Tower transforms into a dazzling beacon of light, illuminating the city with its vibrant displays. Special seasonal light shows add a magical touch, making it an unforgettable sight for visitors. Whether you visit during the day or night, Tokyo Tower offers a unique perspective on the city's beauty and history, making it a must-visit destination for travelers exploring Japan's capital. At number 8, don't miss the Serene Meiji Shrine, located in a lush forest right in the heart of the city. This Shinto shrine, dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, is a stark contrast to the bustling city surrounding it. As you walk through the towering torii gates, you'll feel an immediate sense of calm. The shrine grounds are expansive, with peaceful walking paths, a picturesque garden, and a wall of sake barrels donated by brewers from across Japan. If you're lucky, you might even witness a traditional wedding ceremony. It's the perfect place to reflect and appreciate Japan's spiritual traditions. At number 7, we take you to Akihabara, Tokyo's mecca for all things tech and anime. This neighborhood is a paradise for gamers, otaku anime enthusiasts, and gadget lovers. As you wander the colorful streets, you'll find countless shops selling anime merchandise, retro video games, and the latest electronics. Don't miss the multi-story arcades, where you can try your hand at claw machines or compete in intense gaming sessions. If you're an anime fan, visiting a themed cafe, like a maid cafe or an anime-inspired restaurant, is an experience you won't forget. Akihabara's electric energy makes it a must-visit spot, even if you're not a die-hard anime fan. Coming in at number 6, Ueno Park is a cultural hub and one of Tokyo's most beloved green spaces. This massive park is home to several museums, including the Tokyo National Museum and the National Museum of Western Art. During spring, Ueno Park transforms into a cherry blossom wonderland, attracting thousands of visitors to its hanami flower viewing parties. The park also features a lovely zoo and serene ponds where you can rent a paddle boat. After exploring the cultural attractions, take a leisurely stroll under the canopy of trees and enjoy a peaceful escape from Tokyo's busy streets. At number 5, Asakusa offers a glimpse into Tokyo's past. This historic neighborhood is home to Sensoji, Tokyo's oldest Buddhist temple. As you approach the temple, you'll pass through the vibrant Nakamai shopping street, lined with stalls selling traditional snacks, souvenirs, and handmade crafts. The temple itself is a stunning sight, with its towering red pagoda and intricate details. Don't forget to draw on Omakuji fortune for a little insight into your future. After exploring Sensoji, take a rickshaw ride around the area or hop on a riverboat cruise for a unique perspective of the city. Asakusa's charm lies in its ability to transport you back in time. At number 4, Ginza is Tokyo's upscale shopping and dining district, perfect for those who love luxury and sophistication. This area is packed with high-end boutiques, flagship stores, and some of the city's finest restaurants. Even if you're not in the market for designer goods, strolling through Ginza's sleek streets is an experience in itself. On weekends, the main street is closed to traffic, allowing pedestrians to roam freely. Ginza is also home to some incredible food experiences, from Michelin-starred sushi restaurants to trendy cafes. Don't miss the chance to try wagashi, traditional Japanese sweets, at one of Ginza's artisanal shops. At number 3, we take you to Harajuku, the heart of Tokyo's youth culture and fashion scene. This vibrant neighborhood is best known for Takeshita Street, a colorful strip filled with quirky shops, trendy boutiques, and street food vendors. Harajuku is where you'll find some of Tokyo's most unique fashion trends, often showcased by the stylish locals who gather here. After exploring the shops, head to the nearby Ueno Park, a popular spot for picnics and people watching. Harajuku is also a great place to indulge in sweet treats, like rainbow-colored cotton candy or fluffy Japanese pancakes. It's a neighborhood that perfectly captures Tokyo's playful side. At number 2, Odaiba is a futuristic entertainment hub built on a man-made island in Tokyo Bay. This area offers something for everyone, from shopping malls to amusement parks to cutting-edge attractions. Odaiba is home to the iconic Unicorn Gundam statue, the Team Lab Borderless Digital Art Museum, and the futuristic Fuji TV building. You can also relax on Odaiba's artificial beach or take a ride on the giant Ferris wheel for stunning views of Tokyo Bay. The Rainbow Bridge, which lights up beautifully at night, adds to Odaiba's unique charm. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or solo, Odaiba is a destination that never fails to impress. Finally, at number 1, we have Tsukiji Outer Market, a paradise for food lovers. While the inner wholesale market has moved to Toyosu, the outer market remains a bustling hub of fresh seafood, produce, and street food. This is the best place to enjoy some of Tokyo's most iconic dishes, from freshly grilled scallops to sushi so fresh it melts in your mouth. You can also sample Japanese tea, pickled vegetables, and Wagyu beef skewers as you wander through the market's narrow alleys. For a unique experience, join a guided tour to learn about the history and culture of the market while enjoying tastings along the way. Tsukiji is a feast for the senses and a fitting end to your week in Tokyo. After an exciting week in Tokyo, you'll leave with a deeper appreciation for its culture, history, and vibrant energy. This city truly offers something for everyone, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a tech enthusiast. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, Tokyo is a city that promises endless discoveries. Thank you for joining us as we explored Tokyo's top 10 must-visit experiences. From its bustling streets to serene temples, Tokyo is a city that blends tradition and modernity like no other. We hope this guide has sparked your wanderlust and helped you discover exciting places to add to your itinerary. Which Tokyo attraction are you most excited to visit? Is it the neon lights of Shibuya, the peaceful Meiji Shrine, or maybe the culinary delights of Tsukiji Market? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips and destination guides. Share this video with your fellow travelers, and let's inspire more adventures together. Thank you for watching, happy travels, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe journeys and enjoy Tokyo.